Well, if you can see here, there's an unwanted visitor in the side of the kitty kennel. You can't see her very good there. You can see her over here. That is Frances's butt, with her head peeking into the tent. Pretty Bird is not amused. Are you Pretty Bird? Huh? You don't like that, do you? You're letting in cold air over there, Missy. Don't you know that peeping at people is rude? Huh? Yes, not. She does it all the time. Well, I don't know if you can see Pretty, but Pretty's in there. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird was rescued by my sister Penny. Someone at a pet store had just thrown him away because his hand isn't perfect. His claw or foot, I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know the technical word for it, but he is perfect as far as I can see. Aren't you a perfect Pretty Bird? Hey, Pretty Bird. Are you perfect, Pretty Bird? Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Pretty Bird? I can't see him. That is a manger. It has served a really good purpose in the bird cage. And he stands on it and he eats. He doesn't like the floor. He goes down there every now and then and he throws his kitty food container, bird food container, onto the table when he doesn't think that he's getting enough attention. Everybody should have enough attention, don't you think? I think so. It's like when people tell other people in the best way, the most expedient way, that it's easier for them, having survived being hit by a car, to hold a big door to go through it than have someone rip it out of their hands and to just be rudely called old. I'm a survivor. And I need the door. And we'll talk when you've been hit twice by a car and get to be 65. Isn't that right, Bird? Pretty Bird? We're going to read. What do you think about that? He likes to be read to. And there he is, and he loves TV. Well, we mostly watch movies, but sometimes we watch Roseanne. Roseanne still holds the test of time. Okay, we're going to leave. Francis, I think you need to part from the cage, okay? What a pretty bird. Oh, did you see that? It's falling off the TV shows. Keep your hand out of there. Your hand does not belong in there. Get your hand out. Hand out. Get the hand out of there. No. Francis, you're being a pest. Francis. There she is. Trying to reach through to his toys. You know, I'm scared and I'm a human and way over here. Sometimes he comes up close to the bars and spreads his wings and goes, na 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 na. Okay. I'll close that down when I stand up, okay, pretty bird? She's not hurting you. She's way over there, and she's just watching. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. You say goodbye? Pretty bird? My whistle is dry. There you go! You all have a really good day. Bye. There he is. There's a pretty bird. Bye, pretty bird. Oh, he's a shy now. He is 26 years old. 2 years older than the lady at Wild Thunder said they're supposed to get. You know, you can do anything. Just because other people are supposed to do this or supposed to do that doesn't make you not able to do it. Just always be careful. Isn't that right, pretty bird? Okay. I guess he's done talking for now. He likes people, though. You take care. Bye.